Macaque monkeys, belonging to the genus Macaque, are one of the most widespread and versatile primate species in the world. Found across Asia, North Africa, and Gibraltar, these adaptable creatures thrive in a variety of habitats, from lush rainforests to urban environments. There are 23 recognized species of macaques, with the rhesus macaque and the Japanese macaque being among the most well-known. Rhesus macaques, Macaque mulatta, are widely used in medical and psychological research due to their physiological similarities to humans. The Japanese macaque, Macaque fuscata, is famous for its distinctive red face and for bathing in hot springs during the cold winter months. Macaques are medium-sized monkeys, typically weighing between 5 to 20 kilograms, with males generally being larger than females. They have a robust build, long limbs, and tails of varying lengths, though some species have virtually no tails. Their fur color ranges from brown to gray, providing excellent camouflage in their natural habitats. These monkeys are highly social animals, living in troops that can number from a few individuals to several hundred. Social hierarchy is a significant aspect of their lives, with clear dominant structures maintained through grooming, vocalizations, and occasional aggression. Female macaques tend to remain in their birth troops for life, while males usually leave upon reaching maturity to join new groups. Macaques are omnivorous, feeding on a diet that includes fruits, leaves, seeds, insects, and small animals. Their opportunistic feeding habits often bring them into contact with humans, leading to both admiration and conflict. In some areas, they are known to raid crops and forage in urban settings, displaying remarkable problem-solving skills and adaptability. Communication among macaques is complex, involving a range of vocalizations, facial expressions, and body postures. They use these signals to convey emotions, establish social bonds, and coordinate group activities. Play is also an essential part of their social interactions, particularly among juveniles. Reproduction in macaques involves a distinct breeding season in many species, though some can breed year-round. Females typically give birth to a single infant after a gestation period of about 5 to 6 months. Mothers are highly attentive, carrying and grooming their young constantly. The infants are dependent on their mothers for several months, gradually gaining independence as they grow. Macaques are an essential part of their ecosystems, contributing to seed dispersal and maintaining ecological balance. However, they face threats from habitat destruction, hunting, and the pet trade. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring their survival, particularly for species with declining populations. Macaque monkeys exhibit a fascinating array of behaviors and adaptations that continue to intrigue scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Beyond their social structures and ecological roles, these primates possess several unique traits and characteristics that highlight their adaptability and intelligence. One of the remarkable aspects of macaques is their tool use and problem-solving abilities. Certain macaque populations have been observed using tools to aid in their foraging activities. For example, long-tailed macaques in Thailand have been seen using rocks to crack open nuts and shellfish, showcasing their ability to learn and pass on new skills within their communities. Another intriguing behavior is their use of cultural practices. The Japanese macaques, also known as snow monkeys, exhibit a well-documented example of cultural transmission. In the 1950s, researchers observed a young female macaque named Imo on Kushima Island, washing sweet potatoes in the sea, presumably to clean them. This behavior quickly spread through the troop, demonstrating how macaques can adopt and disseminate novel behaviors that improve their quality of life. Macaques also have an impressive ability to adapt to various climatic conditions. The Tibetan macaque, for instance, thrives in the cold, mountainous regions of China, while the crab-eating macaque, or long-tailed macaque, is found in tropical coastal areas of Southeast Asia. This adaptability allows macaques to occupy a broad range of habitats, from dense forests and mountainous regions to mangrove swamps and human-altered landscapes. In addition to their diverse habitats, macaques exhibit a range of dietary preferences and foraging strategies. Some species, like the Barbary macaque, primarily consume leaves and herbs, while others, such as the crab-eating macaque, have a more varied diet that includes crabs, frogs, and bird eggs. This dietary flexibility is one of the reasons why macaques are so successful in diverse environments. Social learning and imitation play significant roles in macaque behavior. Young macaques often learn by observing and mimicking the actions of older group members. This form of learning is crucial for acquiring survival skills, such as identifying edible foods, understanding social hierarchies, and navigating their environment. In terms of their physical characteristics, macaques have a distinctive facial structure with prominent cheek pouches. These pouches allow them to store food temporarily, enabling them to quickly gather food and then retreat to a safe location to eat. This adaptation is particularly useful in areas where competition for food is high or where they need to avoid predators. Macaques also possess a wide range of vocalizations and facial expressions, which they use to communicate with each other. Their vocal repertoire includes alarm calls to warn of predators, contact calls to maintain group cohesion, and a variety of other sounds to express emotions and intentions. Facial expressions, such as the silent bared teeth display, convey submission and help maintain social harmony within the group. Conservation efforts for macaques vary depending on the species and region. While some species, like the rhesus macaque, are abundant and adapt well to human presence, others face significant threats. The Barbary macaque, for instance, is endangered due to habitat loss and illegal pet trade. Effective conservation strategies often involve habitat protection, anti-poaching measures, and public education to reduce human-wildlife conflict. Macaque monkeys continue to surprise researchers with their intricate behaviors and interactions with their environment and other species. Their varied lifestyles and adaptability provide a wealth of information about primate evolution and ecological dynamics. One notable aspect of macaque behavior is their grooming habits. Grooming serves multiple purposes, including hygiene, social bonding, and reinforcing social hierarchies. Through grooming, macaques remove parasites and dirt from each other's fur, which helps maintain their health. Moreover, grooming acts as a social currency, strengthening alliances and creating a sense of trust and cooperation within the troop. Macaques are also known for their ability to learn from experience and exhibit problem-solving skills in their interactions with humans. In urban areas, for example, macaques have adapted to living alongside people, often exploiting human food sources. They can be seen raiding garbage bins, stealing food from markets, and even learning to open doors and windows to access homes. This behavior demonstrates their remarkable cognitive abilities and flexibility in response to changing environments. The cognitive abilities of macaques extend to their memory and learning. Studies have shown that macaques can remember complex sequences of actions and even recognize themselves in mirrors, indicating a level of self-awareness. This cognitive sophistication enables them to navigate their social world and environment with impressive acumen. Macaques also display a wide range of reproductive strategies. Some species, like the rhesus macaque, exhibit seasonal breeding, where mating and births are synchronized with environmental conditions to ensure the best chances of offspring survival. In contrast, other species, such as the bonnet macaque, may breed throughout the year. The variation in reproductive strategies among macaques highlights their ability to adapt their life cycles to different ecological contexts. Infant macaques are born with a strong dependency on their mothers. The mother-infant bond is crucial for the survival and development of the young. Mothers are highly protective and provide constant care, including nursing, grooming, and carrying their infants. As the infants grow, they begin to explore their environment, gradually gaining independence while still relying on their mother's support and guidance. Macaque populations are influenced by human activities, leading to various conservation challenges. Habitat destruction, driven by deforestation and urbanization, is a significant threat to many macaque species. Additionally, the illegal wildlife trade poses a severe risk, with young macaques often being captured and sold as pets. Conservationists work to mitigate these threats through habitat preservation, legal protections, and rehabilitation programs for confiscated animals. Despite the challenges they face, some macaque populations have thrived due to their adaptability. In areas where natural habitats have been preserved, macaques play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. They act as seed dispersers, aiding in forest regeneration and contributing to biodiversity. Their interactions with other wildlife, such as birds and insects, further illustrate their integral role in the ecosystem. Macaques have also been a subject of various cultural and religious beliefs. In many parts of Asia, they are considered sacred and are protected in temple complexes and other religious sites. These cultural practices often provide a refuge for macaques, allowing them to coexist with humans in a relatively safe environment. Research on macaques has significantly contributed to our understanding of primate behavior and cognition. Studies on their social dynamics, learning abilities, and communication have provided valuable insights into the evolutionary roots of human behavior. Research on macaques has been instrumental in developing vaccines and treatments for many human ailments, underscoring their importance in biomedical research. Conservation efforts for macaques are critical, given the numerous threats they face. Protected areas, wildlife corridors, and community-based conservation programs are essential strategies to preserve their habitats and ensure their survival. Educating local communities about the ecological and economic benefits of conserving macaques can also help mitigate human-wildlife conflicts and promote coexistence. Culturally, macaques hold significant positions in many societies. They feature prominently in folklore, mythology, and religious practices across Asia. In some cultures, macaques are revered and protected, while in others, they are seen as pests due to their crop-raiding habits. Understanding and respecting these cultural perspectives is vital for effective conservation and management strategies. In conclusion, macaque monkeys are a testament to the adaptability and resilience of primates. Their complex social structures, advanced cognitive abilities, and diverse ecological roles make them a subject of continuous fascination and importance. Protecting these remarkable animals requires a multifaceted approach that includes habitat conservation, research, and education, ensuring that they continue to thrive in both natural and human-dominated landscapes.